Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add API keys on CEX.io. API keys allows you to connect your CEX.io account to external tools like trading bots, portfolio trackers or custom trading app. With API access, you can automate trading and monitor your account without logging in every time. However, API keys are powerful, so they must be handled carefully because they can access your account depending on the permissions you give. So first you need to open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down cex.io and enter it, and make sure you are logged into your account already. And you'll get into this interface. What you can do is you can simply click onto this profile icon in the top right and go to the security here. And under the security in the left hand side we can find there's an option for the API keys. Click onto this API keys here again, and after that you can click onto this new API key in the top right corner. And over here what you can do is, in order to add API key, you need to authenticate your two-factor authentication as well. You can simply create IO account as well, and you can proceed to it, and after that you can simply generate your API key as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.